Whether you need to trim high hedges, lop branches, cut brush, or trim grass, the 4-in-1 Petrol multi-tool allows you to carry out garden maintenance while keeping your feet firmly and safely on the ground. With 4 interchangeable heads, each attachment can be quickly and easily swapped in and out, allowing you to transform the multi-tool into a 10-inch chainsaw or pole hedge trimmer, brush cutter or strimmer in seconds. With an incredible reach of up to 227.5 centimeters and powerful 33cc 2-stroke air-cooled petrol power unit, it has an easy start handle for simple operation and control. The hedge trimming attachment can also be adjusted from 120 to 270 degrees, allowing you to cut through 10 positions. The 2-in-1 Petrol multi-tool comes complete with shoulder strap that makes it easy to use for long periods. The grass and brush cutter attachments are sold separately as a pack and allow you to trim grass and clear weeds, brambles and woody stems up to 3/4 of an inch. It's the ultimate accessory pack, a superbly flexible tool that will save you a great deal of money compared to buying each tool separately. But don't just take our word for it, read the customer reviews on our website